So I'm going to show you how to save money when you paint your cars, bikes, or whatever. Okay, so this is the scenario that's going on now. This pint of paint right here, see, it's a pint, okay, is $370. Yeah, that's right, 370 bucks for a pint of paint. And you still have to put down your primer, a sealer, that paint, and then clear over the top of it, so you can get a good idea how expensive this is going to be. So one of the things that I do to save money on my base coats is I use a colored primer. For this particular red right here, I use House of Color KD3004. It's a red primer surfacer sealer. Now you can mix it and use it just like a primer and then sand it and get ready for your paint, and then you reduce it a little bit extra so it's a little bit thinner and lay it down as a sealer. So if you have great primer and you're going to spray this red over it, all you do is reduce down a little bit of the sealer, boom, you lay it down, and what you end up with is you end up with sealer on your panel that is almost the same color as your base coat. So a quick couple of coats of base and you're fully covered. Whereas if you were to just try and cover the gray, more than likely after 2 coats you would still be able to see through certain areas. So this will save you on spraying base.